Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Um, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine. If this is the first time here, my name is Ayo-Akinloye, and I mostly vlog about my motherhood journey, like just my everyday life while being a mother. So I'm sure you're going to love being here. Don't forget to like it, subscribe. Yeah guys, today I'm driving by myself for the first time. Oh God, I'm so excited. I'm driving myself for the first time and I'm nervous. Not by myself. My husband will be sitting beside me, right? But it won't be like I'm in my driving school. Like I'm getting to drive by myself. Do you get for a long while? So I'm driving to the Highland and back home. And I'm nervous, but I'm actually happy also. I know I have to do it afraid, so I'll just go and do it. Let me pray that I don't jam somebody's son's car. Yeah, guys, so from there, we were going to Delphi Metals to change our ring. We actually got our wedding ring from them too. Like the way I mentioned brands freely on this my page, I pray that one day I would have so much growth that I would be able to have these brands like work with me. So we are going there to change our ring. Our marriage is actually going to like 3 years. So it's actually like a ring upgrade, and I'm so happy. Like I'm so hyped. I like new things. So yeah, guys, let's go together. I will say keep me in prayers and as we go. Yeah, guys, let's do this together. I'm so nervous. How did you think I did?
It was fine. It was fine. You were better coming back than going. So, and that shows the improvement in driving. So, assuming we had enough time now, I would say we drive home and then you drive back again. Like we go back to the island, you get, and then we come back again. So when you do it like that, 4 round trips,
my hand is shaking.
you will get used to it fully.
Okay, so today is Sunday, right? And we just got back from church not long. I don't know if you can hear the sound of rain, right? I was supposed to vlog, going to service and all of that. And even going in the morning, it wasn't feel like it was going to rain. But this rain just started from nowhere and it has been so heavy. I was supposed to vlog going to the supermarket and all of our activities after church, but man, we just had to get into the car and come back home. But yeah, guys, I got some new shoes and bag for work, and I want to do an unboxing with you guys. I got it yesterday evening. I think I should start with the bag, because I'm dying to see what is inside. Although I ordered from Natachi Glam on Instagram, and I really love the products I've gotten from her in the past. So I got 2 work shoes, I got a bag, and I got a shoe for my mom. My mom's birthday is on the 14th of October, so I got her something. I'm still expecting her other gifts, but that's the first gift that came in. So yeah, this is the bag. It's a very big bag. I've always wanted a bag that would fit in every of my stuff, my laptop. My husband bought me one the last time he traveled. It's a brown bag and I really love the ease. So I decided to buy a black bag for myself. And this is like, look at the quality. It's very big and nice. Oh my God, so nice. Comes with a purse, then a long strap other. So I bought a brown shoe. I bought a brown and a black shoe. And guys, I cannot wear any shoe that is not a strapped shoe. A strapped or what do they call that stuff at the back? Is it slinging or something like that? Oh my God, I don't know what it's called. I've forgotten what it's called rather. So I bought shoes. I love it. It's so nice. It's so fine. So I bought this. I also bought another black shoe. Oh my God, guys, this is so beautiful. So the next is this black shoe. It's also a strap shoe. Oh, what I wanted to remember the other time was sling back, right? So this is a strap shoe too. I really love it. I was looking very heavy, high in the video, and I was so scared that would I be able to carry it and all, but it came not really too high, and I actually love that. It's very nice, very beautiful shoe. But I just love when I order something and it comes exactly the way I ordered them. So, and lastly is this shoe that I got for my mom's birthday. Oh my God, guys, my mom is clocking 62, and that makes me feel like I need to spend more time with this woman. Jesus Christ. I really love the show. My mom can't really carry anything that has heels again, so I wanted something very comfortable for her. And as usual, Natachi delivered. Like, she delivered like mad. I love all my orders. Like, exactly what I ordered was what I got. And these are very affordable. Very affordable. Yeah, guys, I want to actually get some sleep. Obi and I would be going to the supermarket when it stops raining. So I want to get some sleep, and then when I wake up, we would go. Hopefully the rain would have stopped falling. Yeah.
Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty, game was so bad. Toy when my affliction had to fill out my prescription. Of the remedy I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty, game was so bad. Toy when my affliction had to fill out my prescription.
Hey guys, so it's another day. I'm actually on leave. So I am not going to work today, and I have quite some errands to run. I'm about to leave the house right now. I want to open a bank account first, and so I'm going to be going to the bank. And then from there, you remember the ring we bought on Saturday, right? We could not pick it up because these people are still using GTs for collection at this age and time. Like, this is just my own opinion. I don't think anyone should be using defuggers as part of their collection, like a business. I'm not talking about personal account, because if you use all these money points and all of that, you'll be able to know that somebody is sending you money, even if the money is yet to drop, and then you'll be able to like confirm for the person that, oh, you can go. We have an evidence that you're sending us money, right? We waited for around an hour before we left that store that day. And my husband and I had to come home without our rings. I was so pained. This morning they called that it has been confirmed, so I have to go there to go and get it. I also want to relax my hair, so I'll be going to the salon, traveling this weekend, so I want to relax it today, so that by the time I'm making it at the end of the week, the hair will be stronger and I can look fresh for my trip on during the weekend. I also want to check the stuff, the supermarkets for something, just basic things, sha. Yeah, I have quite a lot of things to do, so I want to quickly head out. And guys, I'm really trusting God for my home car now that I'm learning how to drive now. Like, I hate walking. The stress of having to walk down to the bank, then to the ring store, then to the salon, and then to the supermarket is really stressing me out. But yeah, so I'm trusting God for your car. I'm really praying that God comes through for me. Yeah, guys, so let me show you my feet. Yeah, let's do this.
Guys, you know you better watch out. Some girls are only about some guys are only that thing. Oh, we're trying to let it go, trying to keep my eyes closed, trying to keep it just like before. Times when I never even thought to speak. Don't wanna tell you what it is, but way it felt so serious. Got me thinking just too much. I wanna shut it out, but it's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. You did this one thing, you so made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. This one thing that caught me slipping. It's this one thing I want to admit it. You did this one thing and I was so with it. It's this one thing you did. Hey, and we don't know each other well, so why I keep picking on myself. Memories just keep ringing bells. Hear voices I don't wanna understand. My car keys are dangling in my hand. My high heels are clicking towards the door. It's this one thing. I'm overheated, can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming. You're the reason why. Hiding by the baby, losing my mind. Don't try to save me. I feel alive. My world is faster and faster. The tears and the laughter. I'm here for the ride. Yes, yes, I'm an emotional mess. Yes, but you wouldn't want me any less. Yes, 'cause you know how wild it could get.
Oh my God, guys, I'm home and I'm very tired. I ended up spending more than 2 hours at the bank. I thought that was why I spent so much time. I didn't even spend as much time retouching my hair as I spent at the bank, and I was not even able to finish because they said I needed this KYC stuff. What's that? The utility bill, right? and I'm still on it. I'm hoping that the one I sent to them, I sent one to one of them's email. I'm really hoping that they accept it and I get my account number before the end of the day. Yeah, guys, I have some mouse chores to do. I'll just quickly do a little. I doubt I'll finish everything. I'm very tired. And on this my leave, right, I want to make sure that I do my Scrum Master certification and also learn Figma before I resume back to work. So I just want to cover all my chores so that I can spend the rest of the time learning and resting, right? Since my husband takes my baby to crèche every day. So yeah, guys, I think I should end this vlog here. Thank you very much if you rode with me till the end. I hope you subscribe and that you share with people. I love you so much, guys. Thank you. Bye.